Hello, friends. This is Longfang Jin Numerical Control Equipment Co. Limited. Behind me is a HBE 3047 full electromagnetic numerical controlled rotary bed produced by Jiangsu Yawei that has just arrived in my company. The device number is 880,880. Jiangsu Yawei is a well-known enterprise in China that produces numerical control transfer beds. Jiangsu Yawei introduced the technology of Japanese daily clearance spinning company. The brick tower heavy bed produced is of good quality. It's durable. It has a high reputation in the industry. It is widely used in the kitchenware industry, curtain wall industry, aluminum veneer industry, distribution cabinet industry, ventilation industry. It has a high reputation and market share in various industries. Now let's introduce the main parameters of this machine tool. This machine is the HBE 304,736 station. 2 rotating stations, 1 meter, 2.5 by 4 meters oversized layout, produced in August 2030. The feature of this machine is the full induction cooker type. The advantage of the maglev type is energy saving and power saving. It's very fast. In the first generation of CNC lathes, the bed was mechanical. The second generation is hydraulic. The third generation is maglev. This machine is maglev. Let's take a look at the main configuration and details of this machine. Let's take a look at the German Siemens numerical control system. Centennial Siemens Enterprise in Germany. Take a look inside the cabinet. Check that the wiring inside the electric cabinet is neat and tidy. The quality of the drives from Siemens in Germany is very good. Let's engineer below. Turn this machine on. Feel the good quality of Jiangsu Yawei full electromagnetic numerical control. 2 large middle bed HPE 3047. The 4 bars move without a sound. A perfect process is over. Ask our engineers to measure the accuracy.
Positive or negative. Meet the new machine standard within 10 times.
Reach the new machine standard within plus